All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here. Just picked up a watch from my mailing center. I get so excited with some of these brands that I'm getting in, especially from this brand, the new watches that they're making, that I have to do two videos. I got to do an unboxing video because I don't want you guys to miss out on that part of it. And then I'll do a follow-up video once I've had the watch for about a week or two. But this is a brand new one from Phoibos watches. Now, you guys know I'm a huge Phoibos fan. As a matter of fact, I am a Phoibos affiliate. If you use code OFD at checkout at their website, you will receive a significant discount on any watch that you want to buy over there at the website. That's code OFD. Use that at checkout to receive a discount. Now, this is a brand new one. Ethan got a hold of me a couple of weeks ago, asked me if I'd be interested. Super cool watch, and I love what they're doing here. So on my wrist, by the way, I have on the Nebula, and forgive me, guys, I got a Band-Aid because I burned myself doing one of the most treacherous things mankind can do, and that's reheating pizza in the oven. So careful there, Dunlap. Now I got a knife. What else could go wrong, right? So let's go ahead and pull this one open here. Check it out. Now, this one's got some cool features, something that I don't remember seeing on any other Phoibos watch that I've looked at so far, and that's anti-magnetism. That's one of the big features on this particular model from Phoibos is the anti-magnetism. Now, just first glance at the box, it's going to be the same box I'm sure that we've seen for Phoibos for years now, which is fine because I'd rather see them putting the money into making more watches than worrying about what the box looks like. And the box is nice. They've always had a really nice box to work with, and I never have any problem with this. And the one thing I like about it is all my Phoibos boxes look alike, and I never get them confused as to which watch is in which. So, all right, let's go ahead and open this one up and check it out. Now, inside here, I've not opened this, guys. You're seeing it with me. Here is a strap from them, a fairly new-looking strap. Pretty wild-looking strap, to be honest with you. Got some different looks to it, the way it's set up. You got the Kraken there, the Phoibos Kraken, which is super cool. All right, inside of here, we're going to have our paperwork as usual, and I do believe that the warranty for the automatic watches is for 2 years. Yep, on international warranty on their automatic watches. I think for the quartz watches, it's 1 year. Not that I've ever had a problem with any of my Phoibos watches, to be honest with you. So, all right, guys, here we go. This is the Vortex Diver. Now, this is just, everything about this watch is really wild here from the start. So go ahead and pull it out of the plastic here. Like I said, you guys are seeing this brand new. Whoop, get it off back in front of the camera here. And I'm sure we've got some protective plastic on the case back and on the front of the case, so you guys can watch all of that get peeled off there. This one's super sticky. So cool, nice looking piece. And if you guys get a look there, you can see the anti-magnetic, and you can see that this is running the Sellita SW200. Now, anti-magnetism, for a watch to be listed as anti-magnetic, the minimum it can have is, I think it's 4,800 amperemeters. This is 20,000, so it's well above the minimum. It's interesting because I had a ball watch for a number of years. They advertised as anti-magnetic, and it was right at that 4,800 mark. So it was the bare minimum of anti-magnetism. So this is going to be about, you guys correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but I think 20,000 amp meters is going to be about 250 Gauss. So it's not a mil Gauss, which is 1,000 Gauss, but it's still 250 Gauss, pretty serious stuff. So, all right, guys, wild looking timepiece. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and unscrew the crown and get this one running here. Go ahead and wind this up, and we should see that little stubby second hand there start moving around. Pretty cool look. And then our other crown up here, this is going to be for your inner rotating bezel. So another compressor style watch from Phoibos. I have their Eagle Ray compressor style diver, I guess we should call that. And that is a pretty cool timepiece. So let's go ahead and get the hands at that 10-10 position. Now you guys can already tell this is a wild looking timepiece. You've got some very interesting hands set on this watch. They're cut out, hollowed out, and you've got this broad arrow out here on the minute hand. Little stubbier piece there on the hour hand. Super stubby second hand. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of that. I like the look. You've got your seconds track here on the inside, but it definitely makes for an interesting looking timepiece. Let's go ahead and screw this one down. And you guys give me 1 second here, and we're not going to do a full video of this because like I said, I just unboxed the watch. You guys watched it right here. Look at that case. Look at the way that case is designed, man. It is freaking cool. I don't think this bezel doesn't turn. It shouldn't. Wouldn't make any sense. Then you got your crowns. Crowns are freaking awesome on this watch. Just a different looking timepiece. Let me grab my caliper really quickly though, and let's take some quick measurements on this. All right, so we got the caliper fired up here. Let's go ahead and just take a quick. Now there's some bumps on the bezel, on the fixed bezel, so you don't want to get those. You got a 43, it looks like, millimeter case. from side to side here, which if I do remember the specs at the website, that's it. And you know what? This watch is perfectly round. Look at that. So you have no lugs. So you're going to have 43 all the way around on this watch. That is pretty sweet. So it's like a little disc. Pretty cool. 13.1 thickness. And for the strap, I think you're looking at 22 millimeters. So different looking timepiece. You guys, let me know down below in the comments what you think of this one. I'm excited about this timepiece. Now, this is the blue colorway. As you guys know, I love blue, and Phoibos tends to send me out the blue watches. And full disclosure, guys, this watch came to me. It will not be going back to Phoibos, so thank you to Ethan and the folks over there at Phoibos. And you will see that promotional logo in the video. But nice looking timepiece. Now, if you guys want to see the lume shot, you want to see this watch on my 7-inch wrist, like I said, this is just a quick unboxing video, and I will have a follow-up full review video with timing, how this watch is running, and everything like that in the very, very near future. But great looking timepiece, very wild looking timepiece from Phoibos. This is really outside the box from a lot of things they've done recently, although they always tend to surprise me with their with the watches they create. I mean, Ethan's imagination is great, and I think they've really done a good one here. So, all right, guys, for the unboxing video, thanks for tuning in. If you like it, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.